Bitcoin and Ethereum rebounded on a weekly basis. Who is the culprit shipping recently, and the price will rise? Or keep looking down. What about US stocks? Synchronized diving, unfavorable macro situation. Will this impact the encryption community? Lately, cryptocurrency prices have been declining in unison, benefiting these tokens. Per Buy study, they defy trends, boost market, ignore overall trends, must listen attentively. This wealth PW, at least it'll last till the second quarter. Hello all, I'm Wang Boai. Welcome to my channel. OKX exchange. Let's first look at the market situation of Bitcoin. This is the Bitcoin perpetual contract trading pair of OKX. First, let's check the weekly chart. Bitcoin is rebounding slightly. How about the daily time frame? Bitcoin has been rising for around 5 consecutive days. Then the price reaches around 0.5. There began to be traces of turning downwards. What about the bullish volume below the daily level? I think not counted. Not particularly outstanding, same magnitude as before. No possibility to compare. Then we switch for a total of 4 hours, can be observed in a more clear manner. What is your opinion on this upward curve? What is the bullish volume in front of Bitcoin? And recent performance can only be regarded as an ordinary state. In the prior video, I mentioned that I believe the price is at 0.5 position. May turn down because this is a major location for Bitcoin. Recently, the main culprit for the Bitcoin crash. Actually, it's just a minor. According to on-chain data, the selling pressure of BTC miners reached a new high last year. They're likely to want money for Chinese New Year. I have friends making mining machines nearby. The business volume has been booming recently. Futures of that mining machine even have to wait for 6 to 8 months. Crazy! Where's the place with lots of money? Info asymmetry and profit diff. Is there a friend who doesn't mind? Call someone. Suggest some US stocks for you in the next episode. How about their growth? Use my historical data backtest. Usually more intense than Bitcoin. Then let's continue to look at the K line. Let's switch to the 6-hour chart to see. Then you have the ability to perceive it more distinctly. What occurs subsequent to the price increasing to 0.5? Above, there is a heart of design that has been left behind. There have been videos previously. Those who are interested can click on the upper right corner. What about behind? There is also an appeared 4-hour bullish candlestick. But what about it? Open, close, and highest prices. The lowest price hasn't surpassed the core of this design. That is sufficient to demonstrate the essence of this design. Signal appearing at this location is simply a short-term bearish signal. Indeed, the price did not break through the highest point of this K line. Subsequently, 2 bearish candles will emerge. What about now? 6 hours is another doji state. The cross star is usually a variable arrangement signal. There must be quite a few. There are numerous friends waiting below. I want to purchase Bitcoin in the price range of 35,000 to 36,000. Cause of drop in US stocks, rise in US dollar index, negative level 2, December's US employment data booming, far exceeding expectations. But what about interest rate cuts? Most likely it will be postponed. This is a bearish news for the market. So I think the overall market is not bright. And I also think you can take a position, attempt to establish a position around $38,000 because this position has previously been influenced by Bitcoin. It is possible to conduct a second pressure test. Then you can start with spot goods. Happy shopping. Recently, it's really bustling. A piece of blood red numbers. What about the tokens in this section? I believe in the next iteration it could potentially be multiplied several times. The potential for that is his fan token. This year, there is both the European Championship and the Olympics. Sector tokens typically rally with such significant sporting events. Then I think when it is currently falling, you can consider buying some. What about his leader? Certainly it is definitely CHZ, and in addition to CHZ, what about these remaining tokens? There will still be a wave of speculation expectations. What about these partial tokens? I think there will be several times increase around June. Remember to get the newest report from V. God shows he views the combination of AI and crypto as promising. And called WLD and TAO these 2 tokens. What about these 2 tokens? It is the token that I believe is highly probable to be locked up in the near future. In addition, it is worth noting the project of Ultraman on this side, which positions him as a prominent figure in the AI industry. Don't forget to buy it. Buy a little. What about that point? think you can try to build a position at 2.2. Then this is a relatively effective support area for WLD because you can see his daily line in the previous period also stayed at this price for an extended period of time. Currently, it remains a fantastic opportunity to get on board. And what about RMDA token? We also got it long ago. What about this token? Red is in the AI sector. I believe he'll do well in the next bull market. I'll definitely consider at 336 and try to establish a position at 337 from the perspective of daily performance. Also a relatively effective support area below. For your reference, thank you for watching. Register exchange using link below video. Follow my Twitter. That's all for today's video. Goodbye.